Hey everyone, this is Tim from resync Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Xbox Series X or X controller simply isn't working. Now, the first thing you want to do is to turn off your Xbox and your controller. So you can hold down the Xbox button on the controller for about 10 seconds, and this will manually shut it off. Otherwise, what you want to do is remove the batteries. So on the back of the normal controller, you can just simply remove the batteries here. But on the Elite controller, obviously there is no batteries, so just hold down the Xbox button. And then do the same thing on the Xbox itself. So hold down the Xbox Lite, and that should shut it off after about 5 to 10 seconds. So I saw it blink twice. Now I can let go. And then we want to flip around the Xbox. And then we want to unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute, and then plug it back in. So many times just unplugging a device actually will fix many issues. So let's turn it around now. Maybe there is an issue with Bluetooth or something like that. That's why it's not being responsive. Now we want to go ahead and reset the controller. So let's turn on our Xbox right now and then turn on our controller. So I just turned it off. Now let's hold down the sync button on the controller itself. And after about 10 seconds, the controller will vibrate twice and then it will turn off. And this is the indication that it is reset. So I see the light blinking. It just went ahead and rumbled twice. Now it's turned off. Press the Xbox button, turn it back on. Now it's going to look for a device to connect to. Hold down the sync button on top of the controller for 3 seconds. At the same time, you hold down the sync button on the Xbox itself. So let's hold both these down. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and let go. And these two lights should now be synced together. So my Xbox is now reconnected. If it doesn't reconnect, grab a USB cable like this, plug into the front of the Xbox, and then plug the other end into the controller, and then hold down the Xbox button or press it multiple times, and it should be connected to the Xbox now, and you should be good to go. And hopefully this fixes many of your issues just with the controller. Also, you probably want to update the firmware on your controller. So on the home screen here, let's go to settings real quick. Go down to where it says devices and connections and go to controllers and headset. And then go to where it says configure. And then go on down to more options, the 3 little dots. And then go to where it says update available. It says no update, but select this anyway. And then go to update now. And maybe there's an issue with your controller because the firmware is just out of date or something like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on resync Studios.